21st birthday. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So what are you trying?
It all.
You're trying it all. I am here today at the Sugar Factory located on Harmon Corner, which is right off of Las Vegas Boulevard and Harmon Avenue next to Bubba Gump's and the Rainforest Cafe. We are celebrating Belle's belated birthday. I am here with Ted from Sleepless in Las Vegas, Ken from KG Images, and our guest of honor, Belle. Oh wow, look at the second floor. If I didn't say it earlier, the Sugar Factory was originally located over at Fashion Show Mall on the second floor where they had the Big Ducky and the lollipops. If you've never been to the Sugar Factory, well, they serve both alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks, ranging in price from $17 to $40, with some of those drinks designed by celebrities, including Pitbull, Nick Jonas, and Bruno Mars. And on the flip side of the menu are sandwiches, salads, burgers, desserts. I'm just going for a cheesecake. Cheesecake here is $15. They do have these specialty milkshakes. They look like they serve about 4 people. What are you getting?
I'm getting a milkshake. Caramel Sugar Daddy cheesecake milkshake. Because no one wants to drink with me.
So this is a Princess Make-A-Wish milkshake, vanilla and strawberry with a cupcake, Kit Kat, and a marshmallow. This is marshmallow, by the pot.
Looks good. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Look at this. This is insane. Wow. Got a whole cheesecake and holy cow. How am I going to...
You want some of my diabetic medicine? Oh my God, look at Ted's got the Cookie Monster. What's in it?
You got a donut, you got a little cupcake, you got a cookie, a bunch of cookies everywhere. I'm not even sure what type of shake this is.
And you also got some rainbow sliders. Okay, why do the buns look like Play-Doh?
It does look,
Does it look like Play-Doh?
It does look like Play-Doh.
The Sugar Factory occupies 3 floors, with the 3rd floor offering outdoor dining and drinking, and also a view of Las Vegas Boulevard. They do recommend reservations. I'll put a link to their website in the description. $15 cheesecake, but it looks really good. Fresh strawberries, blueberries, a lot of whipped cream. Now for the actual cheesecake. It's not bad. It's got a great taste to it. I think the only thing so far on this cheesecake that I don't like is the crust. It's very dense. Pass on the crust. The rest of the cheesecake was really good. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So what are you trying?
It all.
You're trying it all. Is this your first time to Vegas?
Yes.
What's the plan for the week or however long you're here?
Everything.
She knows how to Vegas the right way. Well, congratulations. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Total bill was $35, and then they add on a mandatory service charge, which is actually the tip of $7, $3 for the tax. So it was about 45 bucks, but I threw in some extra tip for her because some of that tip is kept by management. Well, that will do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Sugar Factory, would I come back here again? Like I said about the Candy Martini Bar, I would with my nieces. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button down below and ring the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, buddy, it was good seeing you. Miss Belle, good seeing you. Ken?
Good seeing you, bro.
Good seeing you.
Yep.
We actually vlogged together.
We did, for the first time ever.
Ever. Vlogging with Ken is like vlogging with Mark and Joe. Their voice just carry. It is the weirdest thing.
Well, because I have to articulate my words.